I really dig these Astro A50s, especially the Gen 1 and Gen 2 in particular. Unfortunately, I just bought this pair for relatively cheap off of eBay, only to discover that there's a small issue. And it's actually a relatively common issue. So check this out. With one little movement of the volume knob, it just goes super loud. And then when you try to back it off, it doesn't go down. It actually sometimes jumps back up. Unless you like press it and then kind of rock it toward the back. Sometimes you can get it to go down. Volume knob is right there. So we'll take off this ear cuff.
Use a small Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws.
Keep track of your screws because these ones aren't all the same size. And there's our wheel. I'm going to use some 91% isopropyl alcohol here. And this is electronic safe.
After letting it dry a couple minutes,
Dracula teeth down, fat nub on top. And slide it right in there before you put the case on. Alright, before putting it all back together, I loosely put in 2 of the 4 screws, and we'll see if we got it enough. See if we got it cleaned out enough. Now you can actually hear the audible click. And now it's not jumping levels up and down. I think we got a success story here.
while I put this back together, if you'd like to support the channel, or you'd like to fund our investment in feline saunas, check out my beautiful novel, Discarded Horse Feathers, available at all major online retailers.
Very nice.